information we have is that at about 9 a.m., a Nissan motor car driven by a police constable by the name of Evans from the St. Andrew South Division was traveling along the North-South Highway towards Spanish Town direction when he apparently encountered difficulties with the motor vehicle. The vehicle exited the roadway to the left and collided with the ditch where it overturned and caught fire. Unfortunately, the police officer was not able to get out of the vehicle, and so he was burnt. He succumbed to the injuries he received from it. So when the vehicle overturned and ended up in the ditch, response was had from police as well as the fire service. They attempted to save his life, however, unfortunately,